Herzlich willkommen, and that's German for welcome back everyone. Today we'll be installing the Visual Studio IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment, and it is a unified software platform that offers a comprehensive set of tools to streamline the software development process, while embedding functionalities such as code writing, debugging, testing, version control, build automation, and many more, all within an intuitive, user-friendly interface. Basically, Visual Studio will be your command center when it comes to a lot of your future projects. Now let's get started. First things first, hi Google. Type in Visual Studio and you should see this link among the first suggestions on your list. Enter the website, go to the Downloads tab, and then select the community version of Visual Studio. The executable download should start automatically in a few moments, and when it's done, double click on it and we can proceed to installation. It will start off with a couple of continue buttons, and then we will have to wait for the installer to finish setting itself up. And when the initial module selection menu pops up, you can select whichever package you want to install alongside Visual Studio. They are fully optional, and you can also install them afterwards from within the Visual Studio Package Manager. For now, I'm just gonna select a couple of C++ related modules and start the full installation. Now, depending on your computer and internet speed, this process will take a while. So on my side, I will speed it up for you. Just for the perspective, every tick there was around 3 minutes in real time, so you will need a little bit of patience here. When the installation is finally finished, click OK, close the installer, and try to open Visual Studio from the search bar to quickly do the first time setup. Moreover, booting it up for the very first time might also take a few more moments, so don't worry, be patient, everything's perfectly normal. Additionally, when you see this window, you can skip the sign in for now, and then we get the option to select our default theme. And as most coders, I'm gonna go with the darker one and also suggest Visual Studio, which programming language we might work on the most. Finally, having the setup done, wait a few more moments and everything should be good to go. And there you have it. This is the main menu of Visual Studio from which you can create projects, open projects, and start coding freely. Thank you again very much for watching, and I'll see you in the following videos. Bye.